In this video, I'm going to be talking about setting up your work with your pendulum with the proper intention, energy, and the source of the information that you are going to be receiving. So your pendulum has the ability, when used properly, to access information from a variety of different sources. It's really going to be up to you to program the source of the information you're seeking. And for the purpose of most of the work that you might be doing with your pendulum, I would say you would be quite safe to program your higher self, your own soul, as the source of the information that you're seeking. Having said that, you can also choose a loving ancestor or loved one on the other side and have them be the source of the information that you are seeking if it's someone that you had a beautiful relationship with and that you trust. You can also program the source of the information to come from your spirit guides. That's also a beautiful and trusting place. You just want to make sure that whatever the source of information is high vibrational, is of the highest loving, pure essence, and that you can trust. So any of the ones that I've mentioned, you can lean into, you can rely on. So a pendulum works by tapping into our intuition, or that sixth sense. It kind of acts as a receiver and transmitter from higher guidance. If you have guardian angels that you are particularly connected to, the angelic realm or archangels, you can also use those as a source for information from your pendulum. And basically what the pendulum is doing is sort of helping us to balance the left and the right hemispheres of the brain so that we're working with like the whole brain, including intuition, including the deep connection of the heart, spiritual contact and communication. It's utilizing all of this. So when you specify the source of your pendulum, it's as simple as saying, I am calling on my spirit guides to support me with the answers to the questions that I ask that will be reflected by the movement of my pendulum. I invoke the presence of my highest loving guides to support me in this practice. Please and thank you. That's it. You can say that something similar if it's an ancestor, if it's your higher self, but do spend some time getting clear on where you want your information to be coming from, because if you do not specify this, it can default to your subconscious for answers. That's not ideal. That's not what we are looking for. So take some time and specify this. As I've mentioned in another video, you will want to cleanse and clear your pendulum, the space around you, and yourself as well. So you're bringing the highest vibrational energy to the practice. It's also a really good idea to set an intention with your pendulum before you begin asking any questions. So your intention could be something as simple as, I am seeking guidance from the highest loving place to assist me with making a decision about this particular relationship, or this particular job opportunity, or this particular conversation that I had or will have. So set your intention and be as clear as you possibly can be. This will set the tone for very clear information and insights to come through as you use your pendulum.